So we were in question 5C. Convert 47 miles per gallon to kilometers per liter. Given that 1 mile is 1.61 kilometers and 1 gallon is 3.785 liters. Okay, so this information here is given. So since these conversions here, we say that we consider them as exact, the answer should have two significant figures. Since most of the times when you are doing these conversions, we are working with multiplication or division. Okay, so most of the times we can say that the number of significant figures for the final answer is going to be the same number of significant figures that you have in the problem. So we start with 47 miles per gallon. Here it doesn't matter which one you convert first. I'm going to convert miles first. So I'm going to write this in the form of a fraction. 1.61 kilometers over 1 mile. Mile and mile cancel. Then I need to convert gallons into liters. We know that 1 gallon is equal 3.785 liters. Gallon and gallon cancel out. So my final unit is going to be kilometers per liter. So solving this, you should get 20 kilometers per liter. Okay, so once you do all the dimensional analysis here, just take the final numbers. So 47 times 1.61, that's what you put in your calculator. Here it's not necessary parentheses, but then when you divide, then if you have more than one number, then you need parentheses. And then divide by 3.785, and you should round the answer to 20. What questions do you have? No? Let's move to the next one. Next one. Calculate the mass of the object which density is 0.935 0.935 grams per milliliter and volume 23.30 milliliters. So we know that density is what? Mass over volume. Since the density is given here, you can look at the units. Grams is unit for mass, milliliters is unit for volume. Then from here we need to calculate mass. So we are going to isolate mass. Mass is going to be density times volume. Mass is 0.935 grams per milliliter times 23.30 milliliters. So we cancel milliliters and the answer is 21.8 grams. Okay. So in this case we need three significant figures. Questions? Last problem. Calculate the boiling point of the acetone in degrees Fahrenheit. Acetone is used as a solvent, and the boiling point in degrees Celsius is 56.1. So the temperature in Celsius is 56.1 degrees Celsius. So to convert to Fahrenheit, the formula is given. Temperature in Fahrenheit is 9/5 times temperature in Celsius. Here actually is not necessary the parentheses, plus 32. So we need to calculate temperature in Fahrenheit. This formula here is already isolated for temperature in Fahrenheit, so we just replace the temperature here. Temperature is going to be 9/5 times 56.1 plus 32, which is going to be 133 degrees Fahrenheit. Okay. What questions do you have? No questions.